Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Henry. I'm a professional chef for over 20 years. I hope to teach you the various type of the cuisines, the proper way, the ranging from soup, salads, and more variety of the desserts. Let's keep in touch. Don't forget, subscribe my channel. Also, share with your friends. Thank you. Hi. So once again, I just want to show you how to make a BLTE sandwich. So I will explain you what is BLT. So B means the bacon, L means lettuce, T means tomato, E means egg. So what are the ingredients we are going to be used? The first one is the main dish is the bread. You need the sliced bread, so which is we are using for the sandwich, and I need the fresh tomato and some butter, seasoning salt, pepper. I'm going to use some pork bacon, and I need some eggs. For the salad, I'm going to take some pineapple, cabbage, carrots, and I show you my previous the video which I make orange vinaigrette, mayonnaise sauce, cucumber, and spinach, which we call gotu. Okay, let's start make the toast in the bread. So what I'm going to use today, I use just a hot pan, and if you have the toaster, you can use the toaster, but much easier if you can do with the non-stick pan. So pan is hot, add some oil a little bit, not too much. So in meantime, I'm going to put some unsalted butter for 1 cube to get the taste and more crunchy. So one sandwich we using for 2 slices of bread. See how it's getting the melt in the butter. So you take the bread slice and direct put on the pan. Leave for a couple of minutes and you can turn the upside down. Now already absorbs the butter, put the other side. If you put a little bit more butter, you can put another piece of butter. Do a nice mixing to get the color, should be light golden brown color. Smell is, look at this color and its texture. This is the color we're going to use for our BLT sandwich. You don't have to make it fully the golden brown because it's get more crispy, it's very hard. This is the exact color you need. So I will take another piece of slightly oil, skew up a little bit butter again. Do a nice mix. Put the bread in the middle. So don't wait for a long time, you turn the bread other side. Just look at this nice color, golden brown. You can reduce the heat, otherwise get burned. Nice golden brown. So now what I do is, I use the same pan. I use the pork bacon. Do not put the butter or oil because the oil is there already. The pork. on mixing while you are frying with the fork. Wow, nice smell, good aroma. If you don't eat the pork, the bacon, you can use the beef bacon. So usually always make sure when you're looking for the BLT sandwich, you go with the pork bacon or beef bacon. Nice yellow rice color. You don't have to overcook. If you overcook, it's more crispy, it doesn't get nice texture and moisture to the sandwich. That's enough. The color. Because if you have like eggshell, like for the egg cut you can use, otherwise egg will move everywhere. So make sure try to take the egg yolk in the middle. Make sure not to break the egg yolk. Do not put any pepper, but we use only for the Belgian salt. If you don't have Belgian salt, you can put slightly salt powder. It's not too much. If you put too much, it's be not much good because of the bacon having salt. Keep the medium heat to cook until to get dry on the egg white. Nice looking. Okay, so now we'll start how to make the BLT. So I'll take 2 slices of bread, then we'll apply some mayonnaise sauce. It's not too much. Both sides. So then I'll keep the slice in the middle of the plate. Then I add some lettuce. If you don't have the lettuce, you can add this, the same like called for local name is color. It's called pennywort. So this is what we want. After that you can put the bacon on top of the lettuce. Then add some slice of tomatoes. Always make sure you can add the egg on the top. And take the other piece of sliced bread and do not cover the whole thing. It should be the open face. So on the side you can use the mixed green salad which I make in before. With my nice dressing. It's called orange vinegar dressing. So this is how the end of the BLT sandwich. It's a nice delicious sandwich. It's good for the food meal. I hope you enjoy. the BLT sandwich. Hope you enjoy and see you next video with the new dishes. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I hope it is helpful, and I really appreciate your valuable comments. Let's meet again. Bye.